how to add a new currency to your Wise account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here using multiple currencies with Wise it's super easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to add a new currency to your Wise account in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the main screen of the app, you can just go to the account tab, and here once you see the interface like that, this is where all your currencies wallet are listed. So there you can just tap on the plus, open a balance button, and after that you will see a list of over 40 available currencies that Wise support, like euros, American dollar, British pound, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and much more. Now here you can choose the currency you want. For example, let's say I want to add a euro. I just have to tap on it and Wise will instantly add it to your account dashboard. And some currencies may give you local account details like IVAN or short code for receiving money locally. Now you can fund your new balance by tapping add and choosing your payment method like a bank transfer, debit card, or even Apple Pay. You can also receive payments directly into this balance if you have local bank details set up. And if you want to exchange one currency for another, you just need to tap convert and pick the currency, and Wise will give you the real exchange rate with low fees. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.